Pabahala ang ilang eksperto sa dumaraming bilang ng kabataang na biktima ng cyber
The
harassment.
Filipino youth are experiencing wider forms of cyberbullying.
Long time ago, when I was still new to the Facebook app, I would rarely post pictures of me on the internet. But one day, when I posted a mirror selfie on my Facebook, a Facebook friend commented that, "Jejemon daw ako, bakit daw ako ganun mag-picture?" Without hesitation, I deleted that photo from the internet. But from that day, I never posted a solo picture of me anymore on the internet. That experience I had really affected my social media life. Words really hurt. Cyberbullying is not really okay. Before I end this sharing, I want to share this quote. Think before you click. There's nothing on the internet that goes away once it's posted online. Cyberbullying will not make you go.
In a world connected by technology, cyberbullying has become an all too common problem. Behind every hurtful message, every cruel comment, lies a person who feels alone and misunderstood. It's a silent predator that preys on the vulnerable, leaving scars that may never fully heal.
Ito ang nagagawa ng cyberbullying. Tinatanggal nito ang tiwala ng mga tao sa kani-kanilang mga sarili. At some point, it makes a person question his or her worth. It makes a person feel down to the point na nawawala na ang confidence na minsan nilang binuo. Imagine feeling unsafe even in your own home because of hurtful messages online. Cyberbullying can happen anytime, anywhere, and it hurts deeply.
Maraming tao ang sinisira ang kanilang mga sarili dahil lamang sa mga pagbato ng mga nasasakit na salita sa social media. Ang iba ay kinikitil ang sarili. Ang iba ay tinago na lang ang nararamdaman sa mga hindi katanggap-tanggap na komento. Ang tanong, when will it end?
Hindi na natin gugustuhin pang may mga taong muling masaktan dahil lamang sa mabilis na paglaganap ng internet. Ito na ang panahon upang maitigil ang mga hindi ka nais-nais o hindi karapat-dapat na gawin nang sa gayon ay wala ng taong umiyak, masaktan o kunin ang sariling buhay dahil lamang sa cyberbullying. Our goal is to never hear those headlines again, to never see those people crying or killing themselves just because of cyberbullying, and to inform other people on the responsible ways of using social media.
Cyberbullying is not just about the feelings of the victims, but it is also about their confidence, trust, and dignity that will surely take a long time for them to rebuild for themselves. Kaya simulan natin sa salitang empathy. Ating ilagay ang ating mga sarili sa katauhan ng mga biktima. Gugustuhin mo bang maranasan ang kanilang mga karanasan? Matatanggap mo ba na kapag ikaw ang nasa kanilang pwesto? Ito ang mga katanungang dapat na isaisip bago gumawa ng komento na ikakasakit sa ibang tao. Ika nga nila, think and reflect before you click.
Isa pa, ang mga komunidad ay may malaking papel sa paglaban sa cyberbullying. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-oorganiza ng mga kaganapan, workshop at mga kampanya. Maaari tayong magtulungan upang magtaas ng kamalayan at magbigay ng suporta sa mga biktima. Ang paggamit ng mga lokal na media upang ipakalat ang mensahe ng kamalayan at magbigay edukasyon sa publiko ay isang makapangyarihang paraan upang maabot ang mas maraming tao at ipakita sa kanila na hindi sila nag-iisa.
Sa ating mga sariling kilos at salita, tayo ay maaaring maging mga instrumento ng pagbabago at pag-asa. Let us spread love. Responsible social media use goes beyond sharing our own story. It involves actively promoting a culture of kindness and respect online, by educating ourselves and others about the impacts of online actions. We empower individuals to make informed choices and foster a safer online environment. By using our voices and platforms for good, we can challenge harmful behaviors and create a culture of empathy and inclusion online.
Today, we raise our voices. We refuse to be bystanders to cruelty. We educate, we support, and we empower. We share our stories, and in doing so, we find strength in unity. We challenge online platforms to do better, to be safer. We are united against cyberbullying, and together, our voices will echo until the darkness fades into light.
Tayo ay magsama-sama upang mabuksa ang problema sa cyberbullying.